So C says identify two main differences between process costing and job costing. Process costing and job costing. Now, the first thing we can talk about is their definition. Okay? So job costing is a costing system where job costing is a costing system used to determine the cost of work done to a customer's specific requirement. While process costing is a costing system used to determine the cost of product which go through various stages or processes. So that's one difference we can mention.
Job is, example of job is the breweries.
No, brewery is process.
It's the process.
Yes. Job is tailor, fashion designers, carpenter. Example of job costing. Tailor, seamstress is a job costing because it's to cut shoemakers. It's to customer special requirement. Because if we take materials to the tailoring shop, the design I will sew and my size and everything will be different from yours. So our cost will be different. That's job costing. But process costing, like she mentioned, the brewery industries, food processing companies, all those ones, textile companies, those ones there. Then another thing we could say is that under job costing system, the cost of each job is computed differently. While in job costing, whilst in process costing, the cost and output of one process becomes the input of another process, of the next process. So these are some differences that we can mention about that. Then it says, the last one that it says, define equivalent units and explain two main reasons why determination of equivalent unit is important in process costing. Now, when we say equivalent units, equivalent unit refers to the percentage of finished units or finished output in work in progress. What does that mean? Let's say we are a fashion designer, or I am a fashion designer, and when I have one cloth like this, that is my finished output. What will be my work in progress as a fashion designer? How will we know work in progress? Something that is being done that we have not finished. So let's say we've cut the cloth down, but we've not sewed them, we've not done button. All those ones we've cut down will be what? The work in progress. At the end of the period under discussion, we must find out what is the percentage of completion of the clothing that we have cut down. The percentage of the completion is what is referred to as what? The equivalent unit. The equivalent unit. So if our finished unit is 200 pieces of things, and we are having work in progress of say 300 pieces, the question is, what percentage of the 300 is finished? What percentage of the 300 is finished? That is what? The equivalent unit in relation to that. So the examiner said we should determine also the reasons for its computation. Number one reason for it is for the determination of the closing stock. Let me put it this way. For the valuation of closing stock and finished goods. And then second, another reason is for the determination of process cost per unit. So that is it about that question in relation to that. So for 5 marks, you explain the concept of equivalent units and then the reasons for its determination, and that whole question there is for 25 marks in relation to that. Which one?
Equivalent units
Refers
to
to
the percentage.
should refer to the percentage of finished output in work in progress.